Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a reminder on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen. Click to the settings icon, and here you can find the task option under the notebooks, but you can check any other settings mode. You click to the task, and you can find the second option, the default task reminder. Default reminders are automatically set when you add the due date and the time to ask, and you can enable the default reminders option, and you can add a due time, or you can add another reminder. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.